In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a currency on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few tips to avoid surprises along the way. Start by heading to the PayPal website and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your account summary. From here, the quickest way to manage currencies is through your wallet or the money page. On desktop, you'll usually see wallet along the top menu. On mobile, look for wallet in the navigation. Give the page a moment to load your balances so everything is up to date. Inside wallet, you'll see your available currencies listed alongside your primary balance. Find the currency you want to close. Each currency entry has a small menu icon, often shown as 3 dots. Click that 3-dot menu next to the currency you're targeting. If you don't see the menu immediately, hover your cursor over the line or tap the currency on mobile. Sometimes you may need to expand the currency row or scroll slightly for the menu to appear. Before moving on, it's a good idea to glance at the balance. If there's money sitting in that currency, PayPal may convert it to your primary currency when you close it, using PayPal's current conversion rate and any applicable fees. From that 3-dot menu, choose Close Currency. This action removes that currency from your wallet, which means your account will no longer hold a separate balance in it. Any future payments you receive in that currency will typically be converted to your primary currency automatically. If you have subscriptions, billing agreements, or pending authorizations in that currency, they may process in your primary currency after the change, so be aware of possible conversions. A confirmation screen will appear next. Take a moment to read the message so you know exactly what will happen. You'll usually see a note explaining that closing the currency will move or convert any remaining funds, and that this change affects how future payments are handled. When you're ready, confirm. PayPal will process the request, and the currency should disappear from your wallet list. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page or reopen wallet to see the change. That's all there is to it. You've closed a currency on your PayPal account quickly and safely. If you ever need it again, you can add that currency back later from your wallet. As a final tip, keep an eye on any recurring payments or invoices that use the currency you closed, just to ensure everything aligns with your preferred primary currency going forward.